Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I have a beautiful spill of light into the room, more or less in the middle of my practice space. And so today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice where you have two different temperatures on the floor. Certainly barefoot might be easiest, but I got socks on and I have to teach in a minute and a half here when my students come in, so I'm not going to pull my socks off and put them back on. But practice either, as I am here, restricting yourself to the higher temperature area primarily and noting when you step out of it through sensation rather than like a visual awareness. Or just practice with a focus on the varying temperatures that are afforded to you by the wood floor where it meets the tile floor, or the driveway meets the grass, or the patio meets the stone inlay, or what have you. And I'm really just trying to tune into that tinging of the soles of the feet as regards, thermal changes. And it's kind of delightful for me to kind of feel that difference with the sunlight. Helps me interact with a part of the space that I'm in that I'm enjoying right now with the light. So enjoy that. Don't forget, enjoy your Tàijíquán. It's probably enjoying itself through you. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.